30 ABC Action News obtaining body cam video here from a local deputy showing the dramatic moments when he tries stopping a train from smashing into a van. Our Eric Waxler walks us through this close call.
This is body camera video showing Pasco Deputy Aaron Polster arriving to an accident scene in Lacoochee.
Hey man, you okay?
Domestic violence junction.
Investigators say a woman in a van lost control and sideswiped another deputy's cruiser right by the train tracks.
I'm just glad you didn't get hurt too bad.
A corner of the van came to a stop on the tracks.
Should we get her off the tracks, you think?
But just as deputies worked on doing that,
Hey, there's a train coming! There's a train coming!
Deputy Polster tried to get the conductor to stop in time. But when that didn't happen, he moved everyone out of the way.
This is not going to be good. Let's get back a little further.
He's turned away so you can't see the impact, but you can hear it.
Stay back from it just in case it catches fire, okay?
The CSX train did more damage to the already banged up van.
I thought the thing was going to come back and hit us for a second, though.
Thankfully, in all this, no one was seriously hurt. In Zephyr Hills, Eric Waxler, ABC Action News.